Okay, so earlier I was setting this final backsplash in here. Then I took a measurement for the mirror. I sent the measurement off to the glass company, and I have picked up my mirror, which is a 5mm thick mirror, and I got 4 of these clips. So you can see that the mirror is going to sit into that bottom clip there. On the front face, it's got some holes for permanent screw locations, which is what I do at the bottom of the clips. And then at the top of the clips, when you're using it this way, you want to put the screws into these slotted ones so that you can drop the clip down to clip the mirror into final position. So as well as these 4 clips, I like to use silicone to fill the void that's going to be between the wall and the mirror, so that when someone's cleaning the mirror, it's not shaking or got movement to it. So I use these clips. I'll locate some studs across the bottom here, 2 locations, mount these down. I'll bring in the mirror, dry fit it in position, scribe a line along the top so that I know where the top of the mirror is. I'll find my stud locations, setting these clips up a little higher than that line with the ability to slide down when I put the final mirror into position. So let's get started. Okay, so I've got these bottom clips installed. Now I'm going to bring in the mirror and set it onto these clips, verify that it's on my level line that's on the side there, and locate the top edge of the mirror so that I can fasten the top 2 clips. Then I'll glue the silicone on the mirror and pop it into position, squeeze it up on the wall, and lock those clips down. Okay, you can see that this is sitting in the perfect position. I'm going to roughly eye where my bottom clips are to make that line across the top. Okay, now I'm going to remove this mirror and install those top clips. Okay, you can see I've got the bottom clips on, and I've got the top clips on, set at the line, above the line, and with the movability to lock onto the mirror once I press it down. Same with this one over here. Now, with using these clips in combination with glue, I've got the mirror held on there with 2 means. It's holding on there with the glue, but if the glue ever lets go, then the clips will hold it. So whenever you're setting a mirror, I would suggest a double system just in case the glue lets go or in case your clips let go, that you're covered either way. So now I'm gonna go set up, glue the back of the mirror, and bring it on in. Right, so now I've got all those clips ready to go. I'm going to spin my mirror around and put the silicone on the mirror. Now, when I'm adding the silicone on the mirror, you're gonna notice that I'm doing half circles, leaving space for air to escape. So if I'm trying to glue it to the wall and I make a complete circle with the adhesive, it won't allow the air to press out as easily. So I'm just gonna do a bunch of half circles, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and that should be enough silicone to hold this mirror up. Alright, so that should be enough silicone on this mirror. Now I'm going to bring it on in and finish the install. Now I'm going to press firmly on those locations. So here, 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 center, 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 and there, and there, and there. So that's on fairly secure. Now I'm going to bring my top locking clip down. And there we go, and I'll bring you in for a close-up to show you the other one. Okay, so you can see that that clip's not on. I'm just gonna go in behind it, flex it forward a little bit, and push it down. So now you can see that that is firmly gripping the mirror, and if I was to try to pop it off, I would not have any chance because it's clipped on. So as a secondary thing, to make sure it's not going to come off, you can put a little dab of silicone across the top here. That would prevent this from being able to ever remove itself when somebody's cleaning and banging it up or something like that. So just a little silicone across the top here, but that will conclude the install of the mirror.